In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate a material texture in Blender. This technique is perfect for creating moving water, scrolling screens, animated walls, energy effects, and more. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Blender and adding a simple object. I'll use a plane, but this works with any mesh. Create a new material. Add new split window. Now switch to the shading workspace so we can work directly with the material nodes. Then add an image texture node. Connect the color output to the base color of the principled BSDF. Load in any texture you like. Now back to the 3D window, set material type from solid to material preview. You should now see your texture applied to the object. To animate the texture, we'll control its coordinates. Add a texture coordinate node. And a mapping node. Connect UV to the mapping node, then into the image texture. Pull the timeline window up a little bit, so we have more space for animate material. Now select the mapping node and go to frame 1, hover over the location X or Y value, press I to insert a keyframe. Move forward in time, change the value, and insert another keyframe. When you play the animation, the texture scrolls across the surface. Press play to preview your animation. If it looks too fast or slow, adjust the distance between keyframes. When rendering, make sure you're using EV or cycles depending on your project needs. You can also animate properties like scale or rotation in the mapping node. This is great for effects like rotating energy fields or growing patterns. Just keyframe the values the same way. And that's how you animate a material texture in Blender.